Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already primed and set my eyes. Now I'm gonna use a warm brown eyeshadow in my crease. Next, I'm going to use the Rude Cosmetics United Peachy Nudes eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take that first shade and put that all over my lids. And then I'm going to take the other shade and put that on the end parts of my eyes. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because that would really help my channel and I would really appreciate it. For eyeliner, I'm using the NARS Climax Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm using the Duo Lash Glue and the Lily Lashes in Radiant. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. Now I'm using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach to set where I have that orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty bronzer and Mocha Mami to contour my nose as well as bronze my face. So I wasn't supposed to do this step, y'all, yet, but I went ahead and used the Beauty Bay blush in Coral. Next, I'm using the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I have that concealer at. For my all-over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Baked Face Powder Foundation in 65 Toffee. To highlight, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner and Club Hopper and their Lip Lingerie Lipstick in Satin Ribbon. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this Peach Blur Smoky Eye look that I did. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate that and that really helped my channel. Everything I use will be listed in the description box, as well as on my social media handles. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.